Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today we are going to turn ourselves into Spinelli from Recess. I'm super excited for this. I actually wore this look to my boss's Halloween party. It's super simple to do and it takes a short amount of time and you can just use anything that you have in your makeup drawer. I'm just going in with the Morphe 3502 palette in the shade Rich and I'm using that all over my lids. You could use any eyeshadow you want. Spinelli doesn't wear any eyeshadow in the show. I just really liked this color and I thought it went well with everything else that I was wearing. Then I'm just going to go in with a black pencil liner. This is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner and I'm just lining my upper and lower waterline. Now I'm just going in with a little more concealer. I'm just using the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer in the shade Neutral. And I'm just putting that under my eyes to brighten them a little bit and give it that youthful glow. I'm also going to spot conceal because 4th graders don't have acne yet, and I do. And now I'm just taking a brown pencil eyeliner. I'm using my favorite one from Trestique and lining my upper waterline with that. You could use any brown eyeliner that you want. I just really like this Trestique one. It's the favorite one I have in my collection. Then I'm just going back in with that blending brush and just blending everything out so the edges are a lot cleaner looking. I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I believe I'm using the shade 5 here. And I'm just putting that in my eyebrows. I'm not really going to do much to them because she's a 4th grader and she doesn't wear a lot of makeup. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz and I'm just dotting that all over my face to create freckles. And then I'm going to go with my finger and just gently pat the freckles so that way they look more like they're in my skin. And then finally I'm going to go over them with whatever's left on my powder brush. Again, I'm just going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my favorite mascara after I curled my lashes just a little bit. Because again, I want it to be as minimal as possible, but look like I have makeup on, but not really, because again, she's in the 4th grade. For lips, I'm just going in with a Model Co. lip liner. This is probably one of my favorite nude lip liners out there, and it's nobody knows about it. So definitely go check it out. I'll link it down below. And then I'm putting this lip liner obviously to line my lips, and then I'm also filling my lips in with this lip liner. And then for a gloss, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, and I'm using that all over my lips as well. And that's going to finish up this tutorial. Make sure you come back. I have a lot of more tutorials I know I have to upload. I'm super behind and I'm so sorry about it. This one's a super simple one. Just throw on a black wig, a red dress, and a brown hat. I will see you soon, guys. Make sure you follow me on all my social media accounts down below. And until next time, stay golden.